Escoto. Panopio, who just came up with a steal and a layup, with Cruz Dumont completing the 5.
8th turnover already for the Elasto Painters.
Karakot sa kabila, gives it to Villegas. Luis lights it up.
Itong pinoprotektahan ng Blackwater.
Mamu lines it up. Ito na yung shooting ng Rainier Shine.
Up to when?
First quarter, iisa 3 nila. Ngayon, nakakadalawa na. Isa't kalahating minuto pa lang into the second. Panopio with another stop. Panopio with a left!
Quick hands displayed by Dalf Panopio and scoring in traffic.
Play of the half natin yan. Nahatid sa atin ang Sports Plus.
Badly needed dun sa juncture na yon dahil unti-unti nang malapupunta yung momentum. So,
Panopio will backstop once again.
Medyo naninibago itong Rainier Shine dahil marami mga tama na akala nila matatawagan, samantala another teammates like the guy who's rolling towards the basket usually gets rewarded. So finally, Tratter napapawisan itong si Asistio kaya hindi niya mag-grip yung bola ng maganda.
Yan. Gulat ako yun. Nice power move there by Tratter.
Those passes from his point guards.
This point guard rotation of Coach Pat parang walang nawawala, no? Nagsimula siya kay Ilagan, as Clarito hits a 3. Balik na Ilagan, same pa rin.
Lumalim itong rotation ng point guard ng Coach Patrick Aquino dahil nga sa pagpabalik ni RK Ilagan.
And the shotgun knocks it down.
Itong si Tratter, pero nakakuha pa rin ng magandang opening itong si RK. Pero back-to-back hits from the three-point area.
Pacholins niya, hindi umubra. Barkley with a board, pitches it over. Cruz Dumont leaves it to his import. Barkley again! 20!
This kind of a teamwork played by Blackwater, but quick retaliation on the side of the Elasto Painters.
Ilagan pull up.
So much better. You score off. Maganda, nakakadepensa pa rin sila pagdating sa kanilang defensive assignments, but that was a surprise shot. So nung nakita nilang konekta, 20 puntos yata yan in the first quarter alone, or 18 in the first quarter alone, nagkaroon ngayon ng kumpiyansa.
Ilagan fakes the bow. He ran straight smack into the defense of Malonzo. No, kung yun pinakita yung simple.
Ganun lang di ba?
Sana magkatuon ng opportunity, papawi si Bearfield at si Barkley. Para masaya ka naman, Coach. Fuller with a jump hook.
Oh, the Elasto Painters, they're slowly gaining ground, and that forced the hand of Coach Patrick Aquino to call a timeout. Nung opening quarter natin, but only 2 points added so far here in the second quarter.
Ilagan tries to bail them out. Wala. Barkley with a rebound, but back. Not leading rebounder sa Indonesia. Okay, it's Indonesia, hindi kasing level naman ng PBA. Pero at 6'5" to lead.
Stopper in this conference. Look. But
he can't do it. Got the drop on him there.
He can't do it alone. 2 inches shorter than Fuller.
Pierce at the other end. Ay, Barkley pala. Demusis again, he's got 8.
Needing to score more baskets.
No. Bearfield with 8 points so far. Looking to attack Nocum here. Make that 6 pa lang para kay Bearfield. Ngayon 8 na. Advance lang ako mag-isip. Flips it up, doesn't work. Rebound Malonzo, passes to the wrong man. Austria, babagsak yung una. Nice unselfish play once again.
Oh, they had the numbers.
Sa Blackwater on 25 made field goals. Arke gets it done himself.
Ganun kamilos kung gusto nang makagoal. Itong goal din para rito kay RK Ilagan, and is gonna shoot to the free throw line to shoot his bonus free throw after this timeout. Pwedeng tumayo. Hindi pwedeng 2, 3 na parang piston ng kotse itong coaching staff ng isang koponan. So another knockout play.
Panopio gets it right back.
And it's all starting on the defensive